Okay. So what is the equation of a line then? Let's have a look at what they have to say here on my maths. The equation of a line can be considered as a rule. Yeah. Yeah. X plus Y is equal to 10. This all blabbing. Let me see. Let me see. So basically, I think when we were looking at foundation maths, I told you that the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. Yeah, y is equal to mx plus c. Y and x can be changed. They are the variables, but m is the gradient. M is the gradient. We looked at gradients a lot, and we've been looking at it even now in further maths. We looked at it a lot in foundation maths when we were doing differentiation. And then C is the intercept, okay, where it cuts the X, the Y axis. Yeah, it's the Y intercept. C is the Y intercept. And that is the equation of a line, a straight line. The equation of a straight line. Let me just circle that. So if you guys write this one down for me, yeah? Abdullah, I'm going to mark you in now, right? Let me pull my register out of here, you know. Yeah. So I think maybe we can have a little play with these buttons here so that we can see how this behaves, how things change when we change M and when we change C, how things change, yeah? The equation, the general equation of a line is Y is equal to MX plus C, where M and C can be any values. I told you that M and C can change, yeah? Yeah, so click the arrows to change the values and let's see how that works. So if you have, if y is equal to 0.1, 0.1x, then that will be the gradient, yeah? If you say plus 1, plus 2, it's going to keep on going up and up and up and up. If you increase C, you're increasing it, you're cutting, you're changing where it cuts the y-axis, yeah? And if you increase the gradient, do you see it's getting steeper and steeper, yeah? And if you reduce where it cuts the the y-axis, then you see that it's moving down, the graph is moving down. If you increase the steepness, then I think you get the picture, yeah. So that's how it works, yeah. Okay, so the equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Now m is the gradient. I've already told you that. To calculate the gradient, choose any 2 points on the line, yeah, which we've done yesterday. Then use the formula, okay? Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We've done that yesterday. We can't do any sketching because we're, so we've done these. Okay. So now that's not the only formula. If we rearrange the formula, we can get a different formula that we can use to work out the equation. If we have 2 points, or if we have a point and the gradient, yeah? If we have a point and a gradient, we can use this formula right here. Okay, so find the equation of the line. Yeah, if we have a question, so you want to write that question down for me in your book. If we have that question that says find the equation of the line, yeah, with gradient 2, which passes through the points. Yeah, which passes through the points 1, 3. Yeah, you can use this formula. Okay, so by rearranging, you can have this new formula that you can use to solve a problem of finding the equation when you have a point and the gradient. So write the question down, write the new formula down that we got by rearranging. By rearranging the one that we were using to find the gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We haven't started solving it. We just want to write them down. Write the question and write the formula, and then we can have a look at it together, okay? Okay, all done? So m is the gradient, and the gradient is 2. Yeah, so you're going to put 2. M represents the gradient. In your formula, you're going to put 2. Yeah, now x1 and y1 are 1, 3. Okay, the new point is x1 and y1. Yeah, and that is 1, 3. So when you see y1, you put 3. When you see x1, you put 1, okay? That's okay. Yeah, and then you write it out. You write it out. So y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. Now you're going to expand this one. So you're going to get y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. And then you can rearrange now to take this one to the other side. You get y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 3, yeah? And then y would then be equal to 2x plus 1. Now it's in the format y is equal to mx plus c. And that's the equation. So that will be the equation of the straight line that has a gradient 2 and which includes this point. Yeah, so that's how we do it. So write that one down, and then you can do one for me. Okay, so let's have a look. So I'm going to clear my screen now. And I'll get you guys to have a go at question. Have a go at this one. Let's start with the first two. And if we're good on them, we can try the others, and then move on to the next thing. Okay. Just use the formula. You know what your gradient is, and you know what x1 and y1 are. Use it and rearrange to get y is equal to whatever thing you get. Okay. So, oh, well done, Abdullah. Well done, Naji. Okay, so maybe we have a go. Just do all of them then. Finish off those two, and then we put the answers in at the same time.
Miss, can you do one?
Oh, you missed the example. That's okay. We'll look at it together now, okay? So did you write down the formula before you left?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the formula. Y minus Y1 is equal to MX. So I'll get the answer from the boys and then we can check. The last one is a little bit tricky. Okay. I'll get the answer from the boys and we'll look at the solution correctly, okay? So Abdullah, what did you get for this one? Y is equal to, what's your gradient? 2. Y is equal to 2 what? X. Or how many X? Y is equal to 2X minus 1. 2X minus 1. Ooh. 2X minus 1. Okay, let me check it. Ooh. Naji, what's your answer?
Minus 4.
2X minus 4.
Yes.
Oh, you got 2X minus 4. Okay. Y is equal to 2X minus 4. Let's check. Okay, so now it's correct. So let's have a look. Let's do it so that Rim can catch up with the rest of the class, yeah? So M, they gave you M to be 2. And X1 is 3. Y1 is 2. So you're going to write Y minus 2 is equal to 2 times X minus 3, yeah? So Y minus 2 would be equal to 2X minus 6. You expand, yeah? Then you take this one to the other side. Y minus 2 is equal to 2X minus 6 plus 2, yeah? Oh, I've taken it to the other side already and I'm still writing it down. Then Y would be equal to 2X minus 4. Yeah, that's how we got the answer. Okay, who wants to give us the answer for the next one then?
3X minus 11.
Minus 11, let's see. Well done. And question 3 then.
Minus 2X minus 10.
Minus 10. Okay. Who's feeling confident about the last one? Nobody. Everybody's quiet. Should we try it together then? Let me see. Nope. Okay, so M is what? Negative 3. And X1 is 1. And Y1 is 0. So why is it difficult then? 0 is equal to negative 3 times 0 minus what? Y1. What is Y1? Now I'm doing nonsense like you guys. So Y1 is 0. I forgot the formula and I'm trying to be like you guys. Y minus 0 is equal to negative 3 times X minus what? 1. Okay, and now Y minus 0 come on, it's not letting me. Oh gosh, this thing is crazy sometimes. Okay, it's equal to negative 3X plus 3. Yeah, minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 3. Now Y is equal to minus 0 plus 0 there is going to be 0 minus 3X plus 3. Yeah, should we try that? Let's try that. Yay, we got it. So write the solution down. Write it down, everybody. I'll put this in the cupboard. Oh, right. Oh, well done.
Sweating, no.
I know, well done.
Gladys,
Yeah,
you haven't got a small piece of you to go on the end here.
there's somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Just end anyway.
Okay.
It's only that it's got to
It
go
makes
right
it
in
more,
the
yeah.
That's okay.
If I find them, I'll keep them for next time.
Keep going.
Yeah. Okay. Khaled Alotaibi. Okay, that's fine. Let me mark you in, all right? Khaled. Where's Khaled now? Okay. So we've done those. We can do them now. Yeah. So I can take these off. So we can also use the same formula to work out the equation of a line to put it in the format y is equal to mx plus c, yeah? If we have just the 2 points, yeah? If we have just the 2 points, A and point B, giving this one is 2,4, and this one is 7,3, yeah? If we have those 2 points, we can work out the equation of the line. We can put it in the format y is equal to mx plus c using this formula, yeah? So let's have a look at how we do that. Write the question down, okay? This is another example, write the question down. And write example, because this is a different type of question.
I need it, sorry. قول وين الواحد الثاني أقول ما أنت غيره تاج أخري.
Okay, so you got the question written down, and let's have a look at how you solve that question, okay? Yeah, so you got the formula, m is equal to y, so that's the one we use to work out the gradients, okay? Because you have the 2 points, but you haven't got the gradients this time, yeah? So you got x1, y1, and you got x2, y2. I hope you're writing them down. Step by step, make sure that you're writing everything down, okay? I need to write it down as well so that I can be checking your work as I'm going with you. So our points are 2, 4, and 7, 3. Yeah. And the first thing you want to do is find the gradients and everything, write them down. Okay. X1, Y1 is 2. Is 2, 4. And X2, Y2 is 7, 3. Okay. Okay, so now you need to put those information in to find the gradient. M is equal to Y2 minus Y1, yeah? Like we did yesterday, 3 minus 4 over X2 minus X1, 7 minus 2. That's going to give you negative 1/5, yeah? Now you need to put that information. Now you got the gradient. You need to put that information into the other formula that we were using. Okay, you can choose 1 point. Okay, X1, Y1, and the gradient will now give you Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so if we choose X1, Y1, then we go X1, Y1, substituting X1, Y1. You have Y minus 4 is equal to negative 1/5 X minus 2, yeah? If you expand the brackets, let me do it for you here, because sometimes it gets confusing when they are doing it there and you don't see it. Y minus 4 is equal to negative 1/5 times X minus 2, yeah? Y minus 4 okay, is equal to, if you want to expand, you can expand negative X over 5 minus what? Or plus 2 over 10. Yeah, you can do it this way. They've done it multiply. Let's see their way. Yeah, so you would end up with minus X plus 2. Y minus 4 is equal to, if I times this by 2, I will have minus 2x over 10 plus 2 over 10. Yeah, and then I can then write this side as y is equal to, let me complete, y is equal to minus 2x over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 4, yeah? And you can simplify this one. Y is equal to, I didn't even have to times this one. It can still be minus 1 over 5x. Okay. What is 2 over 10 plus 4? Put that into your calculator for me. Or 1 over 5 plus 4. Yeah. $4.2. Yeah, don't worry. I know, because I'm doing it in front of you. I haven't done it first before explaining it to you. So that's why you're finding it confusing. Let me see whether they end up. Yeah. Yeah, they didn't finish it off to get to this point. Yeah, they left it as 5y is equal to minus x plus 22. But I've done it. I think I would rather you do it and get to this point. Yeah, because you want to leave it as y is equal to mx plus c. Yeah, that was a hard one for you guys. Okay, let's go through it again. Sorry. If you guys find that one easier. You got lost. Don't worry. Okay, you follow this path, don't you? And you follow this path, and you follow how they got the gradients. Okay. Now this one is, they times it by 5, okay? Times 5. They times both sides. They times this side by 5. And they times this side by 5. So that they can cancel this one. Yeah? And then they will have 5y minus 20 is equal to x minus 2. Do you understand now? 5y is equal to x minus 2 plus 20, which is what? What did they even get? Oh, I forgot the negative sign. Oh, there's negative here. So this would be plus 2, yeah. Yeah, plus 2, yeah. 5y is equal to 5y is equal to x plus 22. Yeah, I think that's in 3 steps. That's in 3 steps, so that's easier for you guys maybe. So maybe do it their way. All right.
Miss, is it negative x or positive x?
You're probably right. It's negative x. Yeah. Yeah. That's okay, Ibrahim. Let me just check it for you now. Okay, I've marked you in, all right? Oh. Okay. If you've written that down, let me just make sure that we've written down the correct things. Yeah. I think you understand it now. You understand how they got it. Yeah? Okay. Now it's time for you to try out one. And we'll see. You'll be more confident when you try it out. Okay? So only question A for now. I'm having problems with this thing, it's stressing me out. Try out question A. Do that step and find the gradient. Put it in using the first point, x1, y1. Okay? Okay, I'll see you later. Oh, right then. Mm. Mhm. Okay. So somebody has finished. Khaled, you need to check because it has to be a whole, like it has to be in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So one more to get the answer right, and then we can check the solution. We can check the answer and see how it was done. Yeah. We'll see now. Wow, so many different answers. Y is equal to 5x minus 25. Yes, that came popular. Okay, let's check. Let's check. So is that for question 1 then? Y is equal to 5x minus 25 or plus 25? Okay. Well done, Reem. See? Okay. What about the second one then?
It's 4x plus 21.
Well done. Okay. Let me see. A is at 2, -1, and B is at 4. Write your answer in the form AX plus BY is equal to C. It may be that one that looks kind of like, yeah, have a go. Have you guys tried this one?
No, what is ax plus by?
So instead of Y is equal to MX plus C, well, try it out. Let's see. Find the gradient. Did they even explain that in this one? Let's have a look. I'm going to come out of here and go back to this module. So that wasn't, so one thing with my maths, you just put a problem. AX plus BY. Yeah, so it's the same problem, but you're not writing it as, they just reworded it, okay? AX plus BY is equal to C, okay? So have a go at the last question, question 3. Okay, and it's the same problem. I'll do it now. That's okay. Abdulrahman, I'll check for you now, okay? It's a little bit like the first example that we did. X minus, what is x1 minus -1. Y minus 4, that's -9/5. So x plus 1. Mm-hmm. I'll check now for you guys, and then if I don't get it right, then we'll see. Hmm. Let's see. So there we go.
My answer is different.
What did you get?
Y equals negative x plus 1.
Okay. But it says in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Oh, let's see. Ax, 9x. Okay, wait a minute. 9x plus y is equal to 11. And I'm going to write yours and see. No. What was your answer again?
Me?
Yeah.
Y equals negative x plus 1.
Y equals negative x plus 1. Negative x minus y is y plus x is equal to, I'm not sure. No. Let's see. No. So don't worry, guys. Right. I don't know that question, who says it and what the aim of that question is. Sometimes they put the explanation in the next one, which is wrong. I don't want to teach you perpendicular bisector. You see where that is? It's in the end, and they put it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. In the form by rearranging. Okay, find the gradients and the y-intercept. So what did we get? Okay, let's see. Maybe we continue and get to the end. I said that sometimes they do that. They'll put a question even though they haven't taught it. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 9x plus 11. Yeah, okay. And of the line, y is equal to this. Find the equation of the line parallel. No, rearrange in the form Yeah, that's what I did. Oh, I know what happened. I seen the mistake. Let's go back to that problem. No, let's go back to that problem. I've seen the problem. Because is it the same one? 4 and is it this, or did they change it? 2 and 3. No, I think they changed it. 4 and -3. They changed it. Let me see. 1 and -4. Oh my goodness. They changed it. So it's a random thing. So I'm never going to get that question again. But I made a mistake. I actually made a mistake because let me see. I'll show you now. Come to my whiteboard with me. Stop share screen, whiteboard, share. So I think you had to do I think it was the points -1, comma, is it 4 or 2? Was it 4? Comma 4 and 4, comma, -5. I think those are the numbers. Yeah. This is 4. And it was y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yeah, and we got m to be -5 minus 4 for y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 over x2 for minus -1, x2 minus x1, yeah? And this gave m to be equal to -9 over 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we want to put that into the first equation. We would have y minus y1 is 4 is equal to m -5, -9 over 5 times x minus x1 -1 x I'm sorry, so confusing, x minus minus 1 or minus -1, which is x plus 1, yeah? And then from there you have to get rid of this 5 here. I times both sides by 5, times this by 5, and times this by 5, yeah? And this 5, cancel this 5. What I didn't do 5y is, I did y minus 20. I didn't do 5y minus 20, and that was my mistake. So 5y minus 20 is equal to -9 times x plus 1. Yeah, and then 5y minus 20 is equal to -9 x minus 9. 5y is equal to -9x minus 9 plus 20. 5y is equal to -9x plus 11. And if we want to put it in that format, let me see. In the format, then if we want to put it in the format, ax plus by is equal to c. then it will be equal to 9x plus 5y is equal to 11. Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy with the answer now. So write that down. Okay. Now it's so quiet. Oh, this is so difficult. It is. Okay. It's not so difficult. It's just you can't be saying that something is difficult when you didn't, like, if you had done further maths last year or the year before last, you could have left the course. You could have said, I'm not doing this course anymore because it was crazy, like crazy. And I really felt sad for the people that did last year because they came, and when it was time for them to do their further masters, when COVID started. Yes, I'm going to try that. Let's try that together again and see whether we get the answer right this time. Okay. Now we got two different ones this time. So you guys have to teach me how to do it. So we have points -5. Let's go do it on the whiteboard.
You are muted.
Oh, sorry. So this is a question. Sorry, I think I must have clicked on that. A new one. So let's try this one out and see, okay? And I will just change them lots of times. Let's practice them. I don't think I need to put any new stuff because this is hard enough. Yeah, this is hard enough. So let's just practice this one for you guys. I know when the class is quiet, everybody's quiet. They're all thinking of their life. Who signed me up for this course? Right. Okay. So we have to do m is equal to
We've got a little step or something I
Step
can stand
stool.
on.
Yeah, I'll come
I
look.
did try to look in the garage, but I couldn't see it.
I'll come and have a look now.
Might be like
It's
the
somewhere.
It might be like the favourite liquid. It might
I
be
know.
like the vitamins.
There's something. It's somewhere. I'll look for it now for you. Okay. Pardon? Don't worry about that. Yeah. So that's my son.
When we finish in there, I should be finished out here.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right. How are we getting on? Are we getting there?
No, can you do it?
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, guys. 7y is equal to 4x plus 20 plus 7. I don't know. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay. 4. Okay. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try it. Oh, the thing is, we might be getting the answer right, but just not putting it in the format, because that's how crazy this thing is. Just not putting it in the format that the computer understands or the program understands. Oh, it's going to be wrong. I will be shocked if it's right. Yay! Yes. You see, that's the moment. That's that moment when you scored the goal. Okay, let me explain it to you guys, okay? Let's go back to my whiteboard. Right. Clear all drawings. No, I don't want to clear everything. I want to keep some stuff so that you guys can. What time is it? Yeah, I'll get you guys to do another one on there now, if I explain this one to you. Oh, gosh. Okay, so we got y minus y1 is equal to that, and then we have x1, y1 to be -5. Oh, 5 and 1, 5 comma 1, and x2 y2 is 2 comma, am I on the right one? It was -5, yeah. This is -5 and this is 5, yeah, now it's right. Okay, so m would then be equal to, yeah, using this formula, yeah, 5, y2 is 5 minus,
Miss, it's not the same. Is
it's
this
different.
question 3?
Hang on a minute. Share screen. Can you share? Share. Is this one I'm working on? They keep changing it. Did you want us to do the old one, the other one, yeah?
Yes, the old one.
Got that one right as well. I put the answer. That's the one I just rubbed off.
I
Yeah.
was so confused, sorry.
Okay, do you want me to do it again for you? That same one.
Yes, please.
The one with the -1 and 4 with 4 and -5.
No, it's 2, -1, and then 4, -3.
Okay, wait, let me write that down. 2, -1, 4, -3. Oh, this one, the first one. The very first one we got. I've done that one. I have the solution to that one here. I think I did it. Okay, let's go to my whiteboard and I'll do it. Share screen, whiteboard, share. So if you're going to do that one using this method, let me rub this off. You got 2 and -1, and then you got 4 and -3. Okay, let's do it. M would be equal to y2, which is -3, minus y1 minus -1 over x2, 4 minus 2. Yeah, and that would be equal to -3 plus 1 over 2, which is what? -3 plus 1 is -2 over 2, which is equal to -1. Why is that difficult? So then you put that into the y is y1, y minus y1. You got the gradient, yeah? So now you put it into this one. Y minus, this is your y1, -1, okay? Is equal to -1 times x minus x1 is 2. Yeah? Y minus y1, y plus 1 is equal to -x plus 2. Yeah.
This is the same way I did it, and then
Y is
my
equal
answer was wrong.
-x. We didn't put the answer in the right way. And then I think I was clicking on the button and changing. I didn't know that the question was changing each time you click on the button. Plus 2 minus 1. Yeah? Y is equal to -x plus 1. I think that's what you got, the first one.
Yes, but then how do I write it?
Rearrange. In the form ax plus by is equal to c, that would be -x plus y is equal to what? No, that's wrong. Let me rearrange. If I bring x this side, it will become y plus x is equal to 1. Okay, so this would be x plus y is equal to 1. Is that what we wrote the first time? No, I think this
No,
is,
I think it was 1x plus 1y.
yeah, so this is how 1x plus 1y is the same thing. I don't know. I think the answer is correct. It's just that maybe it's a program. If it doesn't recognize what you put in there, it's not going to give you the marks for it. That's how it is. So that happens on when we do on Moodle. It's the same thing. So this is how I would write it. If it says in the form ax plus by is equal to c, then I'll write it like this because it's just rearranging formula at that point. Okay. Anyway, guys, I want you guys to do one for me on there before you finish, okay? So let's go back to my maths. And I'm just going to click on this again and to change the question. So have a go at this one quickly now. We got 30 minutes to the end of the lesson. Hmm. You got it? Y is 3x minus 8. Okay, so will that be in the form? Let's see. If you said it's y is 3x minus. Anybody else working on it? Then in this format, we have y minus 3x. Oh, 8 is equal to y minus 3x is equal to minus 8. Yeah. So minus 3x plus y is equal to 8. Let's try that and see.
Miss, this is the first one, not not number 3.
Oh, number 3. We need the solution for number 3. We need the solution for this one. So we need to find m first. So m would be equal to y2 minus y1, 2 minus negative 5 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus negative 3. This is 2 plus 5 over 4 plus 3. 7 over 7, 1. Yeah? So now, y minus y1, y minus negative 5 is equal to m, which is 1, times x minus x1, x1, negative 3. They are so confusing. Okay, so y plus 5 is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 minus 5. Y is equal to x minus 2. So how do we put it in this form? This is the problem.
Y minus x equals negative 2.
Y minus x equals negative 2. Or minus x plus y equals negative 2. Let's try that. Let's try that. Oh, yes. We got it. Yeah, it's done. So you guys, you know how to do it. You can do it and you can rewrite it in this format. If I ask you to rewrite it in that format, you can do it. And we are all doing this together. Yeah. Not I'm learning it. I'm not learning it for the first time, but it's a new curriculum. I didn't teach these things last year. So you're the first ones I'm teaching this. I taught totally different things last year and the year before last and the other one. So well done to you guys. Okay, because we're doing more geometry this time. Yeah. Okay, any questions?
No. Have a good day.
And you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
See you. Teacher.
But I think just what you don't slip, that's all. It's not that, it's not wet, it's only.
Okay. No worries. Go ahead. I'll just stay back until you finish.
Teacher.
Yes.
I want to ask you about math exam.
It's next week Friday. It's next week Friday.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
who are the other people that need to write the exams? They need to. We need to let them know. Yeah, I need to let everybody else. I need to write this. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.